Lucas, what do you want to say?
Dinosaur ride.
Okay, good. Okay, here's one more. See what it is. Wow, some monsters. Feet. That's a footprint. You can find a monster animal, wild animal inside this park.
But this says it's
That's a real, yeah,
Thunder pangolin.
yeah, real size.
Wait, is it big? What is this?
Is it bigger your foot? Try it. Ah, it's the same size as your foot.
It's so big than its foot.
Yeah.
So it must be as big as you, Lucas.
Try, Lucas. Wow.
It's so big,
Almost
big,
as
big.
yours.
Or maybe as big as Lily.
A little bit. Wow.
Who's going to climb by themselves?
Me. Masasaurus.
Show me again.
Mosasaurus, go run.
Wow. Lucas, how do you feel? Are you tired? Look at the camera. Tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Lily feels nothing. She's not even breathing
Because
heavy.
I pulled her up.
What do you feel? No, just... Oh, you are tired.
Somebody made a face.
Maybe just drop there.
Yeah. Do not feed the Lucas.
Okay, now we are halfway point. Or even second.
I think we're almost to the top.
2/3. Yeah.
Longer, yeah.
Almost. There will be the spirit tunnel.
Then why can't we just get down now?
Because you haven't reached the top yet, silly.
When you climb a mountain, you always need to conquer it by climbing to the...
Don't give up so quickly.
Okay. And is that the top?
Almost.
This is the checkpoint. This is where you go, you choose the easy path or the difficult stair challenge.
There! They're actually both the same, but just one has stairs and the other does not.
Yeah, the other one is just winding up slowly. Whereas this one, you just run.
I forgot. Oh yeah, we should this one. Oh, the stairs are okay.
Of course it's okay. It's very easy to see.
That's the summit. There you have concrete. You can see.
You see the big steps and the little steps?
And here in Singapore.
How they even carve those stairs? I wish there was a secret elevator.
Summit path.
Yes!
You can choose to take the baby stairs or the big stairs. Or you can just walk around slowly up the route, winding up.
Okay, let's
Which
go.
path are you going to take?
I'm gonna take whatever I want. But it's a secret, okay?
Oh, okay, now we're at the top. Dun dun! We did it! We did it! Are you going to sing the Dora song? We did it! Dun 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 dun! We did it!
You reach the end, come on.
You know I can actually jump over these, but they're just too long. No, it's so yummy. Oh my god.
Crocodile also conquered the highest mountain in Singapore, right? Good job, crocodile.
So we should go down by now.
Yeah.
If you want.
Next, after this, we will go to the Mexican restaurant in Dempsey Hill. Let's go.
Yay!
And let's
See you soon.
Now we're descending down the hill through the winding path.
So now I'm filming the GoPro. Take a picture of Mommy and Lukey. We're climbing down so we can go to Dempsey, the playground, and also after the playground we're going to eat some nachos.
I really should look at Bamba. Oh, look at Bamba. Perform, look at Bamba. See? Look at Bamba is a good performer.
Beautiful picture. Yeah, that's good.
Bamba is also a good performer. Ding bong, ding bang bong. Ding ding.
The floor.
It's I don't know.
Ready, go. Jump high.
Yeah.
Chase the daddy.
The plants have life, but those plants are dead. Those are the ones, they're dead.
Bye. Oh, that one.
Which one?
All those.
Yeah, those are all life, like plants, still alive. But those on the ground, this one's dead.
Oh, not cracker.
The crack. 有一个长长深深的裂缝。
It's a Play-Doh.
Yeah, dried Play-Doh, right?
Hey guys, let's go up the stairs again.
Nah. Let's go to the playground.
Who wants to go to the playground? Me.
Why you and JJ? What about me? I also want to go to the playground.
And Uzuma. Is it an indoor or an outdoor playground?
It's outdoor.
An indoor playground in nature.
小树林，
大树林。
小树林，
大树林。
大树林啊！这里一圈来说都是大大的树林。
松树林。That looks like a cannibal daddy.
好，let's see the cannibal daddy. Oh yeah, boom. Hey, you can see through. 你看是空心的，你可以看到对面。What can you see?
Look, a
Can
fish.
you throw a ball? You think the ball will work? Goes like that, right? No light. Like that, no light. That, no light. 最大，因为they got cut off, right? I think people use those wood to make tables, to make chairs, to make beds. To cut off the wood and make the house, right?
And paper.
And paper. What else?
We can use a knife to cut off.
Yeah, see, that's a very long tree. Cut off.
Cut off your hand.
I know. I'm going to say that. Yeah, those like yellow. Oh no. Those yellowish.
What about
things
this
are-
one?
Which one, Mama? That.
This one.
Oh, this one is a baby. It's not that. Yeah, so still growing.
What about this?
Let me see. I think it's still growing as long as it's spring and the root is still inside the earth, right? 这个根还有就没有掉，对不对？ There's no more root.
Unless if it grows rare purple leaves. What
Yeah.
about this one?
Still alive. Still alive.
What about this one?
Still alive.
What about this one?
Still alive.
What about
Green ones are alive. Big ones are alive. Oh, 这个是蓝。
I will take a photo.
这个可以，你看
I will take a
listen.
photo.
Okay, you say GoPro, take a photo.
GoPro, take a photo. How can a leaf jump down? How can it jump down?
How can the leaf jump down? I don't know.
How does it fall down? This one's dead one, Daddy.
It's a dead tree.
That somebody cut it off.
Yeah, they cut it into 3 pieces, right?
Yeah.
No, you cannot.
I can run down.
Please don't.
Slow.
Yeah. Cannot run down a steep slope. Okay, let's just walk.
Not run, okay.
Run with Lucas? Okay.
No.
Okay, 后头有小朋友吧？
Okay.
Because
不可以吗？不可以吗？不可以吗？
It's okay. Can I hold your hand?
yeah.
Hey, Lily, just slowly. Lucas also slowly. See, I'm the only one. Pull your back. This one is really steep. Then it's okay. Or do you want to walk?
This is where you jump and you can fall down.
Yeah. No. Daddy.
Jump.
I don't want to play with you, Daddy. Anymore.
Hello, Lucas.
If you don't want me to hold your hand, I will let you go.
Pickle, pickle, pickle,
No,
pickle.
no, 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 no.
No.
Okay, now it's okay. Big step. Big step. Lily, I think you should go with Daddy. You're more capable with Daddy. Because you're older.
I'm falling too fast, you know? Just that Daddy helping me.
Speed bump.
Oh, that burned my feet.
Wow, we're so far ahead. More monster prints. Look, more.
What? So scary. What is it? Let's
It's
go.
as big as this. Yeah, as big as your foot. Maybe they're as big as you. What if they come out?
Where?
They come out the woods.
I can take it off again, I think.
Oh, Daddy said Mom's gonna come up from the woods.
What's that?
Do you want some water? Recess? Water, recess? Oi! Dun, 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 dun. Do you want to come? Dun, dun. Look at like that. You want to come? And make a heart. Wait, like a heart? Jun, BFF.
That's not a heart.
No? No? Okay. Yeah. Okay. BFF. Done?
Can you push me more? It's not going any further. Please.
By yourself, Lily.
Lucas, let's go.
Look at how we have those.
Daddy, what are those? Smells good though. See those fruit-like structures growing on the trunk? These are figs, which are actually freshly stamped with many tiny flowers inside them. are an important food for many animals like birds and squirrels. Oh.
Look at Stomp.
Yeah. This is a person who goes to the parks and reservoirs. He feeds a wild monkey and gets a fly. Okay?